Hi all. So, is low BP troubling you? So, what is low BP? Here, the low BP means if our BP is going down more than a limit, it can actually cause human death. So, why we are having low BP? As our age is progressing in low BP patients, the blood is not pumped sufficiently in the heart. If the blood is not pumped sufficiently in the heart, what is happening? Blood circulation will be low. The blood will not be reaching all part of the body, especially your brain. So if it is not reaching your brain, what all are the symptoms you will be experiencing? You will be experiencing dizziness. As soon as you wake up, you are having vertigo feeling. You will be having nausea, vomiting feeling. You will be always feeling a fatigue, so much of tired. You are not at all feeling energetic. You cannot wake up from your bed. That is, you will be always having a spinning feeling on your head. So, why this is happening inside the human body? Our human body contains 5 liters of blood. If 20% of blood is lost also, you will be having, that is, it can even cause your life in danger. So, if it is, and it's a life-threatening condition also. So, here what we can do, and we know that in anemia conditions, it is very problematic. Anemic patients, some of them have a habit of taking only rice food or only rice porridge 3 times. If you're keeping on taking in this diet, one thing is sure that your hemoglobin level will be very low. When your hemoglobin level is very low, here also the blood circulation is not happening. So it is not a good habit. You must try to include iron-related food items. You have to improve your digestion, absorption and metabolism inside your gut. And next main thing, we know that whenever you had a surgery or whenever you had undergone an accident, if too much of blood is lost from your body, here also there can be low BP. And if you were suffering from dengue, malaria or any severe disease or severe infections also, the blood count will be low. Here also there are chances of low BP. So here we have to rule out the cause, and it is very important. Low BP is very much, you have to monitor and assess it as importance you are giving to the high BP. And in most of the ladies, we know that during the period's time, 500 ml of blood is lost from their body. And many of them, we know that they are not taking the vegetables or the fruits according to their requirement. If you are not taking the vegetable or fruits according to your requirement, what is happening? You will be facing this low BP problem also. And many of them are not doing any exercises. They are involved in the sedentary lifestyle. So why to do exercise? If you do exercise only, your blood circulation will be improved. Your digestion and absorption metabolism will be improved. But if you had seen a vertigo patient, don't tell them to go and do exercise because their body needs rest at that time. So know the situation and then only you have to prescribe what you have to do. And here what we can include in our diet. So next main thing is stress and tension. Yeah, we can see most of the ladies especially, whenever they are stressed out, they will be having this low BP problem and they will not be taking sufficient amount of water also. So for them, let me tell some of the tips which will be helping you. So if you are a person with continuous low BP, take 5 ml of ginger juice in your diet. Try to include buttermilk, rasam and soups of the beetroot, carrot in your diet. If you have sufficient appetite, what you can do? You can include this dry fruits in your diet. But what I am telling is, it is not your morning breakfast. You must take it between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Observe the timings when at all you are having this low BP. For some of them, they will be having this low BP after taking the food. So what you can do? You can reduce the food intake. Okay, after reducing the food intake, you can split your food timings actually. And during that food timing, you can include this beetroot, carrot, and you can include this green gram soup, green gram in your diet. Knowing the reason is very important. And next main thing is, if you are an elderly person and if you are having this problem, what we can do, our second heart is our calf muscle. So let's activate our calf muscle. How we can activate our calf muscle? Definitely you must try exercises like walking. Do some slow walking after this breakfast, lunch and dinner. And what during the bedtime, when you are waking up from the before the morning hours, what you can do is that you must do some plantar exercises. As I have told in the plantar fasciitis video, you must do some flexion, extension, etc. So when you start to do this flexion, extension, etc., what happens is you are activating your calf muscle. And whenever you are having a feeling you are going to fall down, what you can do is that raise your ankle joint in this way, then bend it down, upward, bend it down, upward, bend it down. Why we have to do this? This will be helping the blood accumulated in the lower calf muscle to be entering our brain, and it will be activating our brain cells so that it can prevent vertigo up to an extent. These all are small tips, but we have to address what is the cause and we have to do the treatment according to that. So hoping that these small video will be helpful for you. If anyone is suffering from low BP, please share this information to them and please take care of them and please make them happy, because if they are filled with stress, tension and all, tell them to reduce that by doing a little yoga, meditation and all. So hereby you can maintain low BP up to an extent. Okay. Hoping that these tips are helpful for you.